Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix update KB5079391 not installing error code 0x800f0991 or some error codes then Windows level update error. In this video seeing before you are begin, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these three steps. First step, services. So we can need Windows search bar. So type services in Windows search bar. You can click to open, then scroll down, find Windows update, right click on the Windows update and choose the properties, then go to the general tab, then you can see if the service status is stopped, just to start button, click here to change it, then hit the apply and OK to close it, then come to back, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button, click here to restart your system and recheck the Windows update. If this try to it does not working, then go to the next step, troubleshoot Windows update. This is most important step, just to try it carefully. So we need Windows search bar and type settings. We can click to open, then search the Windows by using the setting search bar. Then hit the enter. Search the Windows update. Then you can see find and fixing problem with Windows update. Click on this. Then come to here. You can click on the next. Then detecting problems. It is detecting problems. You can wait. See it is finished. Then go to restart your system. After that your problem should be fixed. So it is installing the diagnostic. Then close it the tab. Okay, apply, fix this. Once you can fix it, here you can it is show the problems, check the pending updates, just close it, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. After that update your Windows. So we need Windows search bar and type settings. We can click to open, then go to that Windows update. Here you can click on the retry all, then it is started download automatically. It is perfectly started. Okay, then okay, here started. I think I will help it for you. You can these steps try to, you should be fixed these problems, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment, and thanks for watching.